Okay, 15 seconds. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, small crest, 130, small crest into 6 right, don't cut, 100. Crest long and down, 3 right plus 150. Caution, crest and down, 1 left, 40. Three left into dangerous crest, square left over bridge, and 1 right long, opens, don't cut, 100. 3 left at 60. 2 left, opens and tightens over grid, 60. Bump 60. 6 right, half long, don't cut, 40. 5 left at 100. 6 right long and crest. 3 left, don't cut. Into left over crest, 80. 5 right, 40. 2 left and 4 left, don't cut, 80. Caution, 1 right, don't cut, 60. 4 left and 5 right, 80. Crest jump into 6 right, 80. 4 right plus 60. 4 left half long, 130. 5 right, 40, chicane right entry, 4 bales. And 40. Chicane right entry, 4 bales. 350. 6 right and 6 left, 150. Turn a square right, 40. 6 right plus over flat crest, 300 through dips. 5 right over flat crest, don't cut, 80. Danger, 3 right and 1 left over drop, sorry, don't cut. Into 1 right, into 5 left, 130. Caution, 2 right, into bridge. Into 1 left, 170. Flat crest long, 200 down, 2 right plus a rough inside, 40. Crest, 4 right and down. Caution, 1 left, tightens and falls away, over bridge. 130 slippery, up. Flat crest, 100. 5 left at 250. Caution, a bump, 80 over bridge. 4 left over crest. 60, a flat crest, 150. And caution, crest slowing into 4 right, don't cut, chicane left entry, 3 bales, 130 over the flying finish. 200 metres, 5 right into dip.